Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix Facebook verification code not received problem. So in this tutorial I'll show you that how can you get or how can you fix your Facebook verification code not received problem. So let's begin. So at first you need to go on your phone settings. I just open my phone settings, and now you need to scroll down and find out apps or apps management option. I just open these apps. Now you need to go manage apps. Now you need to find out Facebook. Where is Facebook? So I just scroll down and finding for Facebook. There you can see this is Facebook. Just open it, and now you need to go on permission. There have option, you can see permission. Just open it, and you need to allow every option. You need to mark it like that. So you just need to do this, allow everything. After doing that, you can get a verification code on your Facebook, and you can receive a verification code for Facebook, and in this way you can fix or you can solve your verification code not received problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.